Well, if you're out there this afternoon, there were a couple showers around. We showed you earlier, mainly in Wilsey County, and really nothing left now. The First 1.5 Doppler network has gone dry. There should be a couple showers again tomorrow, but I think the rest of the evening is looking dry. You can tell just by looking at the sky. If you look out your window, I mean, the clouds are, some high clouds around, a couple of little puffy clouds, but nothing able to build up right now. So it might be a pretty sunset. I was looking at Sky 5 over there. It looks pretty nice outside. You might want to, grab the cameras or the cell phones. I think I forgot mine. I got hand sanitizer. That's all I have in my pockets. But yeah, grab your phone, camera, whatever. It might be a nice, pretty sunset coming. The temperatures are warm, but we're not super hot like we could be here in early August. This is statistically about the hottest time of the year, right toward this time, the first and second week of August. 98 now in McAllen. It is 101 in Rio Grande City. But when is it not 100 or better in Rio Grande City? It's always hot. 93 in Harlingen, 92 in Brownsville. And tomorrow, I think like today, most places stay dry, but as we heat up during the morning and afternoon, we could start to see a couple of showers pop up with the sea breeze and some moisture nearby, but most places stay dry. You might get hit in a few areas with a quick downpour of a half an inch or an inch or so, but I think a lot of places will see much less than that. But temperatures go from the mid-90s at lunchtime into the upper 90s in the afternoon, cool back into the 80s at sunset. And again, we'll probably hit 100 in Starr County, but temperatures may go up a little bit more by Thursday and Friday. You can see on the satellite radar there are some showers and some clouds across the western Gulf of Mexico, some moisture there, but nothing really able to organize it into any big rain here. There's a very weak upper level disturbance, the models show kind of drifting down from the north tomorrow, which may give the atmosphere just a tiny bit more of a kick with the sea breeze, so there might be a couple more showers than today, but again, not widespread rain anytime soon. Future track overnight shows mainly partly cloudy skies. By late tonight, there's 11 p.m. It shows mainly dry weather. Notice there is on the map a couple of showers near the coast by morning, so it's possible with that weak disturbance coming in from the north, it may get a shower going earlier in the day, so maybe near sunrise or slightly earlier over Cameron and Wilsey County. It's just something to watch if you're planning to be up early. But most of the day, Future Track doesn't show a lot. Again, a couple showers here and there possible, but mostly dry, I think, over the majority of the valley. About a 20% chance for rain overall, meaning 20% of the valley should see at least some sort of rain. And then even on Thursday, things may dry up even more with not too much on there. We write spotty shower in, but you see there's not much on the map on Thursday afternoon. It shows 1 or 2 showers, and that is about it. So rain chances 20% tomorrow, a couple showers, maybe a weak brief thunderstorm, a couple flashes of lightning if you get a big sea breeze shower. Down to 10% on Thursday, and then probably near 0 on Friday before it may inch its way back up to about 10% or so by Saturday. In the tropics, things are really quieted down. We're into the time of year when things start to pick back up. I think the number is somewhere around 90 or 95% of all the tropical activity happens after August 1st. Through September and October, but Gulf of Mexico very quiet, Caribbean quiet, nothing going on. You see the Caribbean barely has any clouds in it, especially in the central and eastern Caribbean. Now up to the north we have subtropical storm Debbie. It's a storm which formed. It's not structured quite like a tropical storm, but still has the intensity. It's up there in the North Atlantic. Debbie's really not doing anything up there, just hanging out in the North Atlantic, and probably won't be affecting any land before it fades away in a couple of days. Temperatures across Texas and beyond. I want to show you there is a lot of heat out west. You see temperatures still in the 90s all the way out to the west coast. So the really hot stuff is forced out to the west. We're kind of just ordinary hot around here, but the really, really hot stuff staying away. So the first 1.5 7-day forecast, like I said, though, temperatures may go up a little higher, especially I think by Friday or so as the moisture decreases a bit and the sun comes out more. I think Friday will probably hit 100 from about McAllen off to the west, maybe even a few spots by Thursday. Could touch 100. And then temperatures may dip a little bit later in the weekend with the rain chance going back up to as high as about 20%. We're not looking at any huge chances of rain coming back, but just once in a while the sea breeze gets a little more moisture, so you may see a couple more showers some days than others. Those days probably being Wednesday and maybe Sunday, possibly later next week. But we'll keep watching in your first 1.5 forecast here coming up.